All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. Tokens being traded are a little bit over 5 cents right now. This could be a good time to load up. We're going to go to the website, check out a couple things, see all the new news that's going on with AMP. Also, Shiba Inu is now listed on the Flexa network. Super big thing, one of the 25 days of Christmas that AMP's doing. So all of a sudden now Shiba can be purchased on the Flexa network. Awesome news. Also, Matic is going to be on Flexa network. That's another big thing. There's a couple other coins. When we go over there, we'll list, I think there's 3 or 4 new coins that are listed on Flexa. So AMP, powered by AMP. Fantastic news. We're going to go over to an article where Mark Cuban is the most excited about cryptocurrency going into the next year. Why is that? Mark Cuban from the Shark Tank, and I'll do a little thing on that. And do you know that you can now tip with Dogecoin on Twitter? So we're going to do a little tipping thing. You can get tipped on Twitter with Dogecoin. All kinds of good stuff here with AMP token. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays is around 3 to 4 o'clock. Once in a while, we're bringing you a bonus video around 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Friday. All kinds of good stuff. With that, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, take a look at that. AMP token is up 2% in the last 7 days, but it is down 2% in the last 24 hours, kind of balancing it out. It's being traded right now at over the 5 cents, 0.5168 AMP token. If we go ahead and click on CoinMarketCap here, over to the right, AMP token is down about 3% in the last 24 hours. Taking a look in the last 7 days of what's been happening, so it looks like it dipped, it's come up a little bit, it had a nice little peak, now it's coming back down. It's still trading at around the 5 cents. Is this a good time to load back up on AMP? We know it went to 7 cents, 6.5 cents within the last month here. Take a look, it went up 2 or 3 times. So is this a good time to load back up on the AMP token? What are your thoughts? Give it to us in the bottom. So over at the AMP Twitter account here, take a look here. Let's get a head start on the weekend. Shiba is here. Now you can use Shiba tokens for fast and fraud-proof payments anywhere Flexa is accepted, including more than 40,000 stores across the U.S. This is the 25 days of Flexa. You know, kind of like the 25 days of Christmas, every time they're announcing something. So take a look. Shiba Inu is now accepted on Flexa. So you can actually, when you're at the pump, at the Sheetz gas stations, because again, they're accepting the Flexa, you can pay with Shiba, powered by AMP. Take a look at right there, powered by AMP. More good news, take a look. An incredible strong showing across the community. Of course, we couldn't just pick one. Well, Algorand, Chainlink, Matic are now available on Spend app. Oh my God, that's 3 of them. So we got Shiba Inu, Algorand, Chainlink, and Matic are now on Spend app. So it says right here, spend your Algorand, Link, and Matic on Spend app. So same kind of thing. You can basically, this is again, another 25 days of the Flexa. Which asset should you enable in Spend app next? So 39% of people are activating Matic in the Flexa network. Looks like 38% of the people are activating Algorand. Atom, about 8.6%, and Link is about 14.2%. So Matic wins the most there. Again, the 25 days of Flexa, kind of like the 25 days of Christmas. Every day there's new pumped awesome news on the AMP token and Flexa network. This is old news from 2 or 3 days ago, but sushi is served up on the Flexa network. So yeah, this is again one of the 25 days. Now AMP can power sushi payments too. It's Sushi Swap Saturday, and this was last week, but just showing you all the improvements that AMP token and Flexa is doing going in, closing out this year, going into the next quarter. The 25 days of Flexa is served. Sushi is now accepted at over 40,000 locations on Flexa network. Try it on Spend app today. So Sushi, Swap, Algorand, Link, and Matic, and Shiba all listed on Flexa. So that's some big improvements, everybody. So now when you're on the Spend app and you're paying with your cryptocurrency at the pump or wherever you're paying for it, you can, all those tokens we just mentioned, you can actually pay with your Shiba, pay with your Matic. Now, don't forget that AMP token and Matic and Shiba and Hulk, all four of them with Amazon at the end of the year, 2 of the 4 are going to be cryptocurrencies that are going to be used with Amazon. And Flexa Networks is loading all these up. This is going to be pretty exciting stuff, everybody. So now, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're going to go over to the Shark Tank, Mark Cuban. He's very, very, very excited about what's going on in cryptocurrency. Now, we do know that a few articles before that about, he got more and more into cryptocurrency because the market just kept exploding. But what is he talking about for next quarter of the first quarter of next year? So right here, what is Mark Cuban most excited for in the crypto space next year? So there's Mark Cuban. It says it's no secret that billionaire Mark Cuban is bullish on crypto market and technology that surrounds it. After looking ahead in 2022, Cuban is most excited on the new unique crypto applications that may replace existing business process, he tells CNBC. These are called smart contracts, can change the world. Smart contracts, you've been hearing a lot about that. What is a smart contract? Smart contracts are digital agreements written in code and stored on a blockchain. They're essential in powering decentralized finance and DeFi applications, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, among all other things. It isn't surprising, as Cuban has repeatedly mentioned in his beliefs on the smart contracts in the past. So right there, we got Mark Cuban is super excited and he's super bullish on the cryptocurrency going forward. Want to jump over here? Now you can use Dogecoin to tip on Twitter. Yep, that's right. Well, so take a look. A group of independent developers made Doge tips on Twitter. Possible with Doge tip bot. So you can tip on Twitter now with Dogecoin, everybody. It says if you receive a tip and you have not registered with the bot, you can do so by sending a message to the register or registration. So Doge tip will send back a confirmation containing the Dogecoin address. The bot is on chains and uses a new low fee. If a Doge tip you have sent is not claimed for more than 3 days, the amount will be returned to you. You can withdraw from the Doge tip Doge card address by interacting with the bot via DM. You can also deposit Doge coins into your Doge tip address. So pretty neat now you can do tips with Dogecoin on Twitter. So as the new world comes about, and Crypto.com is the new name of the LA Staples Center here at the end of the month. As Tom Brady's getting into things, as people start tipping on Twitter with Dogecoin, the new world, cryptocurrency not going away, paying at the pump with the Spenda app. Powered by AMP token. AMP token has really got their stuff together because literally merchants, the brick and mortar, need to use the cryptocurrency, and Flexa makes it way, way easier. Let's head back over to AMP token. Over here at the website, they got a little facelift. We got some of the new tokens here around the horn. Right now, AMP provides assets like Ethereum with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. DAI. As you go around the horn here, there's some new tokens that are listed that weren't listed before. What can you do with the AMP? You can stake it, you can send it, and you can repeat. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize risk for users with smart contract features, purposes built from collateral, nothing more, nothing less. Meet our friends. These are some of the people from staking payments on Flexa to providing stability through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMP tokens. Just to name a few, Bittrex, Flexa, Crypto.com, Sushi, Uniswap, Rainbow, Moonswap, CoinGecko, Chainlink. Heading over to CoinMarketCap. So AMP tokens at number 63 right here. My price prediction is, again, it went to its high in June at 12 cents. I still think AMP tokens by the end of the first quarter is going to get to 12 cents. All our information is for educational purposes only. But as more and more things get listed, as more and more people hear about AMP token, as more and more things are powered by Flexa and powered by AMP, I think it's just going to go back to where it was in June. That's not even a higher number. I'm just saying it's going to get back to the number it was at 12 cents. So again, the coin is traded a little over 5 cents right now. It's up about 1% now in the last 7 days. So is this a good time to load back up on AMP when it's right at 5 cents? Are you waiting for it to drop a little bit to 4 cents? Are you going to wait for it to go back up? Give us your comments in the bottom. Don't forget, our agenda is to try to help everybody on the planet learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Today being Saturday. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic Saturday.